today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to pay Chinese supplier on 1688 using your Alipay step by step tutorial. So let's begin. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for procurement business, you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tauba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add the product to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have a lot of video about how you can add the product to cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to your cart. Alright, so it's going to take you right here. So the next thing you want to do is to select each of the products you want to pay for. After you have selected everything you want to pay for, the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then it take you to a preview page. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then at this point here, you have to click on here to make the payment. Then you enter your payment password. So right now you can see the payment has been done successful without any stress. So what I'm going to do next is to click on here to go back to my profile on 1688. Then for me to access my profile, I have to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile page and the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So you can see it right here. So by the time I click on here, you are going to see all the 3 products that we just paid for. So you can see the 3 products right here. So this is how you can pay your supplier on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tauba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation tutorial like this. See you in the next video. Bye for now.